Hello
and welcome to
buyavette.net.
This is Jan Hermstad, Jan at buyavette.net, with a 1964 Bloomington Gold recipient. This is a convertible, which is Riverside Red and black vinyl interior. Numbers matching engine, 250 horsepower, 327 cubic inch. A very nice and desirable car. Looks good, drives great, waiting for a new home. This car had a body-off restoration back in 1964. Also had a NCRS Top Flight award in 1992, as well as a Bloomington Gold Certification in 1993. Paint is in good condition, looking to be recent and showing a great shine. Tire is 9/32, about 90% tread depth remaining. Very nice from all angles, great drive, and lots of documentation from previous owners. Come and see me at buyavette.net. My name is Jan Hermstad. My number is 404-993-5964. Also, my email is jan at buyavette.net. Call me, email me, or text me for special considerations. 404-993-5964 is my cell. Look at that gorgeous car. Great shine in paint and chrome. Nice knockoff style wheels. This is priced very conservatively for the condition of the car. Well taken care of the car. Past owner had a lot of work done to it. It could make a precious acquisition for you and a great classic Corvette. So look forward to hearing from you. Look at that great shine in the paint. Convertible top is in great shape too, and it's black. Knockoff style wheels was added by the last owner. Records dating far back, and NCRS paperwork and Bloomington Gold certifications is also here. Gorgeous looking. I purposely put the headlights up so you could see them. I didn't turn them on, but they're there. Very clean, very nice. And thank you for looking at it. And call me now at 404-993-5964. My email is jan at buyavette.net. And thank you for looking.